OK, Jean-Baptiste. Tickets, please.
Wait.
5 summer pudding away, please. Let's go.
Chef. OK, thank you, chef.
This is a very classic, OK, summer dessert, yeah?
Yeah.
Rather than that stodgy, white, fucking horrible, anemic bread, we've got a really nice, tasty brioche, OK? Right, Nigel, just explain to me, yeah? I work and talk at the same time. Tell me what you're doing. Quick.
Right, we've dipped the brioche into a black currant coulis.
Good.
We're then layering it with fresh strawberries.
Yep.
Another brioche dipped in the coulis. Yeah, we're layering it with black currants, blueberries, and then it'll be served with a creme fraiche with a lime zest.
Good, 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 good. Let's go. Lawson, if there's anyone, in this country tonight that could set fire to that, it would be you, OK?
No,
stay off the fucking stove. Let's go, 5. Off. Right, raspberry jam. Good, raspberry jam like I've done. And always hit the centre of the plate, yes? And then with the coulis, watch, just on the top. One there, and then a little bit. What? Just a little bit, but don't fuck the plates up. Yeah, nice and gentle. Watch. A little bit there, and round. I asked you to hit the middle of the fucking plate. Look what yours is.
Pardon, sorry?
Oh, come on. Sorry, I mean, I can't, Lawson, I can't keep on saying it.
OK, in the middle.
Come on, Kevin, let's go.
I'm ready.
You ready? Yeah. Why are your plates always so dirty? Fucking hell. Robert, you get a hot spoon, and it's called a quenelle.
Quenelle.
Watch. So you get a hot spoon like that, it just melts the cream. Don't get it too hot, otherwise it fucking slides off. And then on. Yeah? No, fuck off, you do it yourself. Cool, dear. Service, please.
Presentation was great. It looked like it was going to be really fantastic, but it was just a bit too acidic.
I actually thought that was really nice. Really, really nice. That's the best out of the 3, I think.
This last table, OK, I want you to do from start to finish and fucking finish on a high for me. 3 summer puddings away. Right. Let's go, big boy, yes?
OK, then.
Yeah? Good man. OK, fuck me. On. Good. Raspberries on. There. Get everyone looking like that. And we're going to end on a fucking high. Robert, off you go, yeah? Let's go.
Yeah, blueberries on.
Make it work, Lawson. You owe this one to yourself. Let's go. Now, Lawson, if you can do this all on your own, hey, big boy, tomorrow morning you're going to wake up with the biggest hard-on in fucking Birmingham. Let's go. OK, good. Nice. 2 seconds. Go.
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine. Don't worry, they've got an extra bonus. Go. Yes. Service, please. Go. Table 7, yeah? Quickly. Lawson, they look fucking beautiful so far, so don't fuck it up, please, yes? Lawson, can you hear me in there?
Yeah, I can, Gordon, yeah.
Is there anything in there between those ears? Come on.
Yeah.
Service, please. OK, good. Nice. Well done. Start clearing down. Ooh, fuck me. Well done, big boy. You pulled that back there at the end, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I felt like I let my team down when I first
Don't worry
started.
about that. We got there in the end.
You hit me in the face.
Yeah,
But
oh,
I
fuck
thought,
me.
I'm
Yeah.
going to stay at it.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep working at it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to bottle out.
That last table was fantastic, yeah?
Yeah,
Clear
it was,
down.
yeah.
Well done.
Thank
Up.
you.
Good boy.
All right.
Up.
Cheers.